Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into an exciting topic that can transform the way you run your online business. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the entire process of creating and setting up Facebook and Instagram ads for your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the e-commerce game for a while, this guide is designed to make the process as simple, effective, and actionable as possible. We'll cover everything step by step, ensuring you understand every aspect of the process from start to finish. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to run successful ad campaigns that drive traffic, boost sales, and grow your brand. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of the valuable insights I'll be sharing. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of ad creation, I have some exciting news for those of you ready to take your online business to the next level. Shopify is currently offering an incredible $1 trial for new users. Yes, you heard that right, just $1. This limited time offer is the perfect opportunity to launch your e-commerce journey with minimal risk and maximum potential. Whether you're looking to start your very first online store or scale your existing business, this deal allows you to explore Shopify's robust features and tools without breaking the bank. From managing inventory to creating a stunning storefront, Shopify has everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. You can find the link to this exclusive offer in the description below, so be sure to check it out and start your journey today. Now, let's dive into the first step of our process. Making sure your Shopify store is fully set up and optimized. Your store serves as the foundation of your online business, so it's crucial that it looks professional, is easy to navigate, and provides a seamless shopping experience. Take some time to ensure your store's design aligns with your brand, your product descriptions are clear and engaging, and all necessary pages, like your About Us, Contact, and FAQ pages, are in place. Having a polished and functional store will not only build trust with your customers, but also improve the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. After all, you want the traffic you drive to your store to convert into sales, right? With your Shopify store ready to go, it's time to shift our focus to your Facebook account. To run ads effectively, you'll need a professional Facebook account and a dedicated business page for your brand. If you don't already have these, don't worry. It's a straightforward process. Start by creating a professional Facebook account or switching your personal account to a professional one. Next, set up your business page by logging into Facebook, clicking on Create Page, and following the prompts. In just a few minutes, you'll have a page that serves as the face of your brand on Facebook. Once your Facebook business page is ready, it's time to get acquainted with Meta Business Suite. This powerful tool is your central hub for managing Facebook and Instagram ads, tracking performance metrics, and engaging with your audience. From insights on campaign performance to tools for scheduling posts, Meta Business Suite is an essential resource for anyone serious about growing their business through social media advertising. To streamline your advertising efforts, you'll need to connect your Shopify store to your Facebook account. Head over to the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section, and search for the Facebook and Instagram app in the Shopify App Store. Install the app and follow the prompts to link your Facebook account with your Shopify store. During the setup process, you'll be asked to select a data sharing option: Enhanced, Standard, or Conservative. If you're unsure which to choose, go with the Enhanced option for the best results. Once your accounts are connected, Shopify will verify the integration and you'll be ready to start managing your products and ads through Meta Business Suite. Now comes the fun part: creating your first ad. Open Meta Business Suite and navigate to the Create Ad section. The first step is to select a campaign objective that aligns with your business goals. Options include awareness, boost visibility, traffic, drive visitors to your website, engagement, encourage interactions, leads, generate inquiries, and sales, drive conversions. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the traffic objective, which is perfect for directing more potential customers to your store. After choosing your objective, you'll be prompted to configure your campaign settings. Start by naming your campaign. Then answer any category-specific questions related to your ad, such as whether it falls under credit, employment, or other special categories. You'll also see options for A/B testing and advanced campaign budgeting. While these features can be incredibly useful for fine-tuning your campaigns, we'll keep it simple for now and focus on the basics. Once you've completed setting up the basic campaign settings, the next step is to refine the specifics by clicking Next. This is where you shape the core elements that will guide the success of your campaign. One of the first tasks is defining your conversion goals, which involves pinpointing the exact actions you want your audience to take when they engage with your ads. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a service, downloading an app, or visiting a specific page on your website, clearly defining these goals will help you measure the effectiveness of your campaign and align it with your broader business objectives. The next crucial step is setting your budget and schedule. Here, you'll determine how much you are willing to spend on a daily basis to reach your target audience effectively. This requires careful planning to ensure that your investment delivers the best possible return. You'll also set the overall duration of the campaign, deciding whether it will run for a fixed time period or continuously until manually paused. This allows you to tailor your campaign to specific timelines, such as seasonal promotions, product launches, or ongoing brand awareness initiatives. Finally, targeting your audience is where you get to define who will see your ads. This involves creating a new audience profile by specifying key attributes such as age, gender, location, interests, and online behaviors. These factors help you zero in on the most relevant audience for your campaign, ensuring that your ads reach the people most likely to respond positively. Alternatively, if you've run previous campaigns, you can save time by using an audience profile you've already created and refined. This can be especially beneficial if you've previously identified a high-performing segment that aligns with your current campaign goals. This step is critical in maximizing the impact of your advertising efforts, as it ensures that your message is delivered to the right people at the right time. After finalizing these details, click Publish to launch your ad campaign. Just make sure your payment method is active to avoid any delays. And that's it. You've successfully created and launched Facebook and Instagram ads for your Shopify store. This process is straightforward yet highly effective in driving traffic, boosting engagement, and growing your online business. Before we wrap up, let me remind you once more about Shopify's $1 trial. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to build your store, experiment with ads, and start selling online with minimal upfront investment. The link to this exclusive offer is in the description below, so check it out today. Thank you so much for watching this video.